Canceling your Dave membership without following every step can leave your subscription active, so it's worth confirming that the cancellation is fully completed before you close the app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to cancel a Dave membership, what to check before you cancel, and how to verify that the request was successful. Before starting, review your account for any outstanding advances or pending transactions. If you currently have an active advance or another unresolved account issue, take care of that first if required. Also, download or save any account information you may want later, because you could lose access to certain features after your membership ends. Now open the Dave app and sign in to your account. Go to your account or profile settings and look for the membership or subscription section. Select the option to manage or cancel your membership, then follow every confirmation screen until the app tells you the request has been submitted. Don't stop after tapping the first cancel button, because many apps require one or more confirmation steps before the cancellation is finalized. After completing the process, check for a confirmation message inside the app. If Dave sends a confirmation email, keep it until you're sure the membership has ended. That email can be helpful if you ever need to contact customer support about your account status. If you subscribe through your device's app store instead of directly through Dave, check your subscription settings there as well. Some subscriptions are managed through the platform where the purchase was made, so verifying both locations helps ensure nothing remains active. If you don't see a cancellation option, update the app to the latest version and sign in again. Temporary account or connection issues can sometimes prevent account settings from loading correctly. If the option is still unavailable, contact Dave support through the official support channel and explain that you want to cancel your membership. Include your account information and any screenshots that show the missing cancellation option. After requesting cancellation, monitor your account for confirmation that the membership has ended. If you notice unexpected charges after cancellation, review your confirmation details and contact support promptly with the relevant information so they can investigate. The process is straightforward. First, review your account for pending activity. Second, complete every cancellation confirmation step inside the app. Third, save your confirmation and verify that your membership is no longer active. Your next step is to log into your Dave account today and confirm exactly how your membership is managed before starting the cancellation process. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Dave tutorials, comparisons, and troubleshooting guides.